If you're thinking about building a community in 2026, you're probably stuck between two big options, Skool or GoHighLevel. And if you choose wrong, you could waste months of rebuilding, kind of like what I did. So in this video, I'm breaking down the real pros and cons of both platforms. No fluff, no hype. And I'm going to tell you exactly which one that I would recommend to most beginners building a monetized community. Stay until the end because the answer depends on your goal. Hi, I'm Michelle Spark, retired Army veteran, and I help women build profitable online businesses by turning their knowledge into community-driven income. And community is the backbone of everything that I teach. So let's break this down clearly. So what is Skool? Well, Skool is a community-first platform. It combines community feed, courses, gamification, a simple layout, and a clean user interface. Here's some of the pros that I see with Skool. It's extremely simple to use. I can teach this quick and easy and get you set up in a matter of hours. High engagement design. So the way that they've got it designed and they're constantly making improvements, it allows for a lot of engagement on the platform. I think it's becoming the new Facebook groups. Gamification, which increases participation. Because they have leaderboards in all of their communities, it allows a little friendly competition. It's super easy to launch and it's focused on conversation. So people meet people. You get a lot of collaborations, a lot of networking going on inside of Skool communities. Now, here are some of the cons of Skool. It's got limited automation. There are some automations inside, but it's limited. But with the right tools, like the tool Scoot, which I just started using, and it's changed the game for me inside of Skool. I absolutely love it. I have increased my automations just with that one simple tool. Not a full CRM. So it's not where you can keep track of all your email addresses and things like that, but you can get a list of all of your members. There's no built-in funnels. However, you can accept payments right on the platform. And I'm going to show you that so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can literally eliminate Stripe if you wanted to and just take all of your payments right through the Skool platform. I know some of us have gotten really like the bad juju with Stripe, right? How many times have we had an account canceled or closed? Okay. And it's less customizable. Skool is built for engagement. It's not built for complex marketing systems. All right. So now you might be asking, well, what is a GoHighLevel community? Well, GoHighLevel is a full business operating system. It includes funnels, CRM, which is a customer relations management tool where you can actually track all of your customers, email automation, text messaging, course hosting, and a community feature. So some of the pros of GoHighLevel is it's an all-in-one system. Everything's right there. It's automation heavy, so you can automate the entire process, which is super fantastic. A full CRM, a full customer relations management tool where you can track everybody that's coming and going. It's got a funnel builder inside, so you can actually build your own funnels, websites, blog posts, like so much. Text message and email marketing, you can do that right inside of GoHighLevel. Some of the cons are there's a steeper learning curve. There's more tech setup for you, okay? It can feel very overwhelming in the beginning if you're brand new to the GoHighLevel platform. And the community experience is not as social as Skool, okay? One of the big things in comparison that I've found between GoHighLevel communities and Skool communities, because I was on Skool and then moved everything over to GoHighLevel. And what I learned from my customers, my audience, and let's be honest, that's who we're serving, is they couldn't flip between communities from different owners. And I think that's huge because you can literally stay all day on the Skool platform and flip between communities and engage and post and do all the things, okay? With GoHighLevel, it's a completely different URL link to go to someone else's community. But I'm going to show you the two differences. GoHighLevel is built for systems, not necessarily engagement-first communities. So before I get into which one is better, I want you to know there are tons of choices out there. To name a few, there's Facebook groups. We all know about Facebook groups. However, I took all my members out of my Facebook group and brought them on over to Skool. because I didn't want my community to be driven by the algorithm. So when you're on Facebook, Facebook will show your group post to your members a total of 3 times. If they do not engage out of those 3 times, your group members won't see your post anymore, which I think stinks. All right. So I want all of my members to see it. If they're in the community and they're engaging, I want all of them to see it. All right. Then you have Circle. Circle is a kind of new one. Then you got Mighty Networks, you got Membership IO, and even Stan Store has communities now. I'm going to give you a quick glance to see all those different ones, but do your research. There's tons of them out there. But here's the truth. It depends on what stage you're in, all right? So if you are just starting, building your first community, focus on engagement and momentum. That's where we want to put our focus initially, all right? And if you want something simple, Skool wins hands down every time. If you are scaling, maybe running some paid ads, building complex funnels, managing a team, or you want full automation, then GoHighLevel wins. So here's my honest opinion. Most beginners do not need a full automation empire yet. They need conversation. They need clarity, confidence, and community. And Skool makes it easy to start leading. You can always layer automation later, but you can't automate trust. And trust is what makes community profitable. If your goal is to build authority, fill a room, create engagement, or launch simple offers, well, then Skool is the right move. So here's what I personally love, using Skool for community and layering automation separately once my revenue grows. Community first, systems second. Don't overbuild before you actually validate. So if you want to see what a Skool community actually looks like, you can come join mine, Online Profit Mastery. It's free. Inside of Online Profit Mastery, I'm going to show you how to build your own Skool community, how to fill it with aligned people, how to monetize it without actually burning out, and how to structure content that converts. So you can go ahead and click the link below in the description and come join us inside. You don't need more tech. You need leadership, okay? And if you're serious about turning a small community into income, you need to watch this video next, all right? How to make your first $1,000 online with a small audience. That's where strategy meets structure. So let me take you in really quick behind the scenes. I'm going to show you inside of Online Profit Mastery, and I'm going to show you the differences between the Skool platform and the GoHighLevel platform, just so you can see it for yourself. So here we go. Okay, so first up, the Skool platform. This is inside of Online Profit Mastery. So as you can see, we have a community with some threads here, people conversating, announcements that I have posted, and people comment on them. They help each other out. So I did this one here yesterday. It's Tag, You're It. And I thought that was pretty cool. I got it from another community and I said, that's a really cool idea. Drop a win and then tag 2 people. So I tagged these 2 ladies and they all did the same. It was a lot of fun. Okay. Then we have the classroom up top here. Okay. And this is where all of the courses live, all of my courses and anything that I sell. So I wanted to show you the classroom in a member view. So you can literally sell all of your courses and programs inside of the Skool platform. So if they want to join my challenge, they have to pay $37. They pay right here on the Skool platform. Then you have a calendar of events. So any events that you have, you can put them in the calendar. You can have all of your members here. You can see all of your members on a map, which I think is pretty cool. You have leaderboards. You can see who's actually crushing it with engagement. And that's the gamification. And of course, you have your about page, which you should always optimize. Okay. You even have DMs, so you can chat with other members right here inside of the platform, which I think is also very cool. So to start with Skool, again, I'll put the link in the description. You get a 2-week free trial if you use my link down below, but you can start off for as little as $9 a month. You get all the features, unlimited members, unlimited videos, unlimited live streaming. So, oh my God, I didn't even mention that. You can live stream inside the platform. So if I just click this go live button, poof, I'm live, which I think is another great feature that they just brought in. Okay, so I don't have to use Zoom anymore. I don't have to use StreamYard anymore. So it's replacing a lot of tools for me that I was using before. that now I don't need simply because I'm using the Skool platform. So they also have the $99 a month program as well, and that gives you unlimited everything, and their transaction fee is lower. So it's a 10% transaction fee if you use the hobby plan, or 2.9 if you use the pro plan. But that's it, 2 plans. Just starting, or I'm ready to rock and roll, okay? Then I want to show you, this is the GoHighLevel platform. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Skool platform. They have their channels over here. So I don't know if you noticed them on this one here on Online Profit Mastery. So right up here, we have like channels or categories, right? These are our categories. GoHighLevel has them too. They're just on the left-hand side. People can flip. If they're a member of more than one of my communities, like if I had more than one community, over here on the left-hand side, I've got 2 other communities, and you can flip back and forth between those communities, but not any other communities that other people have. All right. But as you can see, they've got learning. That's all of your courses. You've got your events. That's their calendar. You've got a leaderboard just the same as Skool. And then, of course, you have an about page as well. Okay, so it looks very similar. But one of the things that I love most, okay, I can switch to other groups, but only the groups that I own. You see here the 2 arrows? I click those 2 arrows. So inside of Skool, if I click the 2 arrows, I can flip through all of the Skool communities that I am a member of. Don't judge. I'm a member. It's like collecting Facebook groups. It's the same thing, right? But it really depends. I've got some paid, I've got some free. So this is the GoHighLevel. And again, they're making it look very similar to Skool, but it doesn't have that feature where you can actually get to the other communities. All right. Then you have Circle. You can start Circle for as little as $89 a month. Then you have Mighty Networks, which you can start for as little as $79 a month. And then you have Stan Store. So this is my Stan Store one. Okay. And I just was playing around with their community to see how it worked. And then, of course, you have membership.io. You can start for as little as $41 a month. But I'm going to go back to what I was saying with flipping back and forth. When I am a part of communities on a platform, let's say Skool, I like to be able to engage on those other communities. If I wanted to go to this community, I can go here, I can engage, I can see what's going on. Maybe I wanted to go over to this community, I can see what's going on, I can engage, and I can flip back and forth between the communities. All these other ones here, it's the same situation where I've got to go to this link for this community, I've got to go to this link for this community. Whereas on Skool, there are communities for everything. Okay. So I hope that helps you understand your choices that you have. Okay. So I hope that helps you make your decision where to build your community. All right. The Skool platform is my favorite, hands down. All right. And I hope you come join us inside of Online Profit Mastery. I would absolutely love to get your community up and running. So I'll see you there inside Online Profit Mastery. Let's go build smart. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.